Hey, what's up guys? Allyn here with Sonic Electronix CES 2019. I'm here with John over at Phoenix Gold, and he's here today to talk to us a little bit about their new sound processors.
Real excited. We got a couple of new sound processors for this year. We have our Bass Q 2.0. This is a sound restoration or bass enhancement module. So it gives you a remote level control so you can adjust how much enhancement it gives to your sound. What this is going to do for you, it's going to take the signal from your source unit and it allows you to adjust it to make up for the losses that you get from MP3 compression or the analog to digital changeover. So which ends up usually affecting the low end frequency. So you can adjust that, and then depending on the content that you're using, you can adjust how much it is affecting the signal. And it just makes it sound fuller and more realistic the way it originally was intended. Then we can move over to our 9-band EQ, which is the EQ 9.0. And this piece gives you sub-level control, front and rear fade. It allows you to do balanced or unbalanced inputs. So if you want to have a factory source unit and you want to add amplifiers and an EQ, you can go right out of that factory source into the EQ and then adjust your frequencies from there so you can fine-tune the music the way you want it.
That's pretty neat too, especially since it's 9-band. Most competitors are typically 7-band. So, well, thank you so much, John. Appreciate it. Once again, Allyn with Sonic Electronix CES 2019.